Right, next question number 11. On vectors, this is my fourth video of vectors. Write this question. Let OACB be a parallelogram. Let OACB is a parallelogram, and let D be the point on AC. Let D be the point on AC such that AD is to DC. Such that AD is to DC equal 2:1. Equal 2:1. The position vectors of points A and B with respect to O are lambda vector A and vector B. Lambda vector A and vector B respectively, where lambda positive greater than 0, where lambda greater than 0. This is one of the essay problem. Right, first part. Express the vectors OC, express the vectors OC and BD and vector BD in terms of vector A, vector B and lambda. In terms of vector A, vector B and lambda. The essay part. We first complete this part and go to the other parts. So if you see my previous third video, at last my 10th question, something like this, we worked geometrically using vectors. Those are newcomers, please press the bell sign and subscribe that channel. Then you will receive automatically all these type of revision type combined math lessons. I will forward in the future a lot of problems along this YouTube channel. Okay, see how to answer this. Yes, important, not OABC. Sometimes students confuse, they draw OABC in order. Not ABC, ACB is a parallelogram. So draw diagram. Parallelogram OACB. So you know, parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, equal. Those properties can be implemented in any questions in vectors. And D is a point on AC. D is a point on AC. AC, there's a point D. How that D? AD is to DC 2:1. So somewhere if I say mark 2, here D. So 2:1. AD is to DC 2:1. The position vectors of A and B are given. Position vectors of A and B respect to this O, right? This is lambda vector A and this is vector B. So draw a nice diagram, mark everything detailed. Position vectors, they said lambda A and vector lambda B. Lambda is a positive number more than 0, right? That's all. The first part now. Also they marked and the point, okay, that's all here. Express the vectors OC and BD. First part. OC. How is OC? Take this triangle. Vector addition. So parallel, therefore opposite sides are equal, parallel. If you take same sense, they are vectors. So here lambda A, therefore this also lambda vector A. So now in triangle OBC, this triangle or this triangle we apply any method, you can take two chances for that, above triangle or below vector addition. So what is that? What is OC? OC equal OB plus BC. OB vector plus BC vector. OB plus BC, that is OC. The first part is that. So what is the answer? What is OB vector B? BC lambda vector A. That's the answer, first part in terms of A and B. Next, BD, vector BD. This one. You can take this triangle. You can take this. What is AC? AC also vector B. Here vector B is parallelogram, therefore parallel equal, so it's also vector B. Take this triangle to find this. So the ratio given AD is to DC equal 2:1. The given AD is to DC equal 2:1. 2:1. Therefore, what is DC vector? Here, totally 3 units. We take totally 3. Here 1. Therefore, DC is 1/3 of AC. DC equal 1/3 of AC. 1/3 of AC. You know the AC is equal to OP, no? Therefore, DC is 1/3 vector B. 1/3 vector B, right? 1/3 vector B. OB AC. Okay. Now we come to this triangle BCD. Now, in triangle BCD. Now in triangle BC, the question is calculate the BD vector. BD. BD, if I take BD, what is BD equal? BD equal what? BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Okay, BD vector triangle addition. BC plus CD. So the answer, what is BC? Lambda vector A. Lambda vector A plus CD. DC is 1/3 B. I found the DC vector is 1/3 B. The letter change now. CD therefore minus 1/3 B. So here minus, right? 1/3 vector B. So it's the first part answer. Find the OC and BD in terms of this A, B, and in terms of lambda also. Okay, write this next part. Second part. Now let vector OC. Now let vector OC is perpendicular to vector BD. Vector OC is perpendicular to vector BD. Show that 3 mod of vector A square lambda square plus 2 into vector A dot vector B, vector A dot vector B into lambda minus vector B modular square equal to 0. Show that answer by using that data and find the value of lambda and find the value of lambda. Write this: if mod A vector equal mod B vector and AOB angle pi by 3. Nice question. Nice part to the second. So first part we use geometrical vector geometry. Second part, the angle comes, we call what? Dot product, scalar product of vectors. Okay, how the other part? How to get this answer? They said OC perpendicular to BD. OC and BD, but they asked first part, OC we have available, BD available. So what do you mean? They both perpendicular mean their product, their scalar product is 0. Because 90 is 0, no? That OC into BD is 0 because cos 90 is 0. So we apply that one. So that answer OC perpendicular to BD, therefore vector OC dot vector BT is 0 or 0 vector, right? Because A dot B means mod A mod B cos theta dot product cos theta, theta 90 means cos 90 0. So show what is OC vector B plus lambda vector A into BD. What is BD? Lambda vector A minus 1/3 vector B equal to 0. So multiple these two bracket dot product, get the answer. So you multiple these two, multiple lambda B dot A or A dot B, right? And here minus 1/3 B dot B plus lambda square A dot A at last minus lambda by 3 A dot B equal to 0. A dot B equal to 0. So this is the first and the last. Totally how many A dot B available? Here lambda A dot B, here 1/3, no? Therefore 3 lambda, that is 2/3, right? 2 over 3 lambda A dot B. 2/3 simplified here, A dot B lambda times A dot B minus 1/3 lambda A dot B, that is 2/3, and minus 1/3. So reworkment is my 4th video. Many explanation I said in the previous videos. So what is B dot B? Mod B square. B dot B mod B square. Lambda square. A dot A mod A square. Okay. Now see if you multiply 3 everywhere. And this is 3 lambda square A square. Here multiply 3 cancel. 2 into A dot B lambda, and that's the answer. Simple question. If you properly learn everything in the theory class and this revision type, simply you can answer all type problems or any kind of questions in these vectors, same as the other chapters, other lessons. Now they ask find the lambda value. Find the lambda value. Find the lambda value for that given informations. They say mod A equal to mod B is both are same, module size magnitude is same units. Also the angle between AOB pi by 3. the angle between, that's AOB angle, pi by 3. So I erase this diagram. This one, pi by 3. OA we known as that vector lambda A. This is lambda vector A. And OB they said vector B. So angle is given there. You need this angle to product it A and B later. And now we substitute. Now we put continuously, you can work this, write these values given. So I show here 3 mod A square lambda square plus 2 A dot B. See, can I write this A dot B like this? 2 lambda A dot B. Okay, A dot B into lambda. No? I said this lambda A into B minus mod B. Here both A and B are equal. We have a mod B also, I say A. Mod A equal to 0. Right? So therefore here 3 mod A square lambda square, here 2, here product of two vectors, lambda A vector product with the B vector. So what the scalar product of two vectors? That is 2 into lambda vector A modulus into B vector modulus, and the cos angle between that pi by 3, cos pi by 3, right? Minus mod A, I said A. Here A, B all are equal, right? Equal to 0. So therefore, see, 3 mod A square lambda square 2. What it is? Lambda is a number, constant. Its modulus is lambda. Here A, B modulus cos 60 half minus mod A square. See here A, B both are same, both are same. A into B is like a square, right? I can cut this A square, here A square, A square, A square. So 3 lambda square, here 2 cancel, plus lambda minus 1. This is a quadratic equation in lambda, in terms of lambda. 3 lambda square plus lambda minus 1. You can't factorize, so use the formula. X equal minus B plus or minus B square minus 4AC, the formula of quadratic equation. They say lambda is a positive. You can't take the negative symbol, minus symbol. You cannot take that, so fine. So therefore, what is lambda equal? Minus B minus 1 plus so minus square root B square minus 4, A is 3, C minus 1. So here plus, is it? Over 2 times of A. Lambda is positive, they mentioned that. Therefore, you can't take the negative symbol. So I erase it. So lambda equal minus 1 plus 13 square root over 6. Okay, it's the answer of that question. So good work for essay type question. Use the vector geometry, vector additions of triangle. Also find the angle problems, dot product. Okay, right, next question number 12. If any problem, pause or stop the video, recheck my all 3 previous videos. You can get a good knowledge in vectors, fully revision types I've shown. I complete problem 11. Now we see problem number 12. Problem 12. So write this. So many, I receive many calls, many messages. Some ask, sir, please do SHM, harmonic motion. Some says show circular motion. Some says show please do that complex number. Some says permutation combinations. Some says please so do in singular medium or the other medium. So actually it's a difficult task. This quarantine days I'm free, so free. Yeah, I'm at home fully. That's why I publish these videos. We'll see later. I try to show one by one. I have order to implement to publish in YouTube. So the different ideas they give. So I can't cover everybody. So thank you so much because you are in this seeing my video. Subscribe me. That also thank a lot. But you continuously keep in touch. Then you can see so many problems. Those preparing for the coming exams. I hope you can get good knowledge in vectors. Those exam next year. They are also solving vectors completed this type of season. Therefore, it's a revision, good, full opportunity to learn this. After finishing, I go some lessons, Newton's law, harmonic motions, and we have pure math sections also. So you keep in touch with me. The subscribe and see. You will follow all my regular in order the videos. So write this question number 12. A, capital letter A, comma B, comma C, comma D. A, B, C, D are 4 points. On a plan. A, B, C, D are 4 points on a plan where vector AB equal A, vector AB equal vector A, and comma vector BC equal vector B, and vector CT equal minus 2 vector A. So given information. Straight lines AC and BD. Straight lines AC and BD are cuts at E. So it's like an essay type question. Right, first part. By using vectors, show that vector AE equal to 1/3 vectors A plus B. Show that first part, vector AE equal 1/3 vector A plus B. Full stop. Hence find vector BE, comma vector CE, and vector DE, in terms of A and B, in terms of vector A and B. So nice essay part, first part is okay. We have the part also, I'll read it later. Just to complete and count. So draw diagram, mark the details. A, B, C, D are 4 points on this. You can see the relation. See here, A, here 2A. Are therefore possible to parallel. When you draw diagram, not only rough, but think the ideas of notation shows here. Collect it and draw proper rough diagram, but proper way. So here 2 vectors are parallel. So A, B, C, D, they mention parallel. Also therefore CD bigger than A, B, C. The large 2 times A and a large 1. So if I say A here, B, A, B, C, D, 4 points. A, B, C, D are 4 points on a plan, right? A, B is given vector A. A, B is vector A. B, C, vector B. B, C, vector B. C, D minus 2A. That means other side positive 2A. So I take the same minus 2A. That means other side plus 2A. I use what they given in negative symbol. So it's the diagram part here. And what straight line AC and BD. Straight line AC and BD cuts at E. Cuts at E. Two straight lines cuts at E. Then use the first part by using vectors. Show the AE answer. Show the AE answer in terms of A and B. Show that AE answer in terms of A, comma B. The answer is given there. We will find AC that 1/3 A plus B. Also the other form. AE answer. Okay. These are like a ratio type. When you work in the previous problem, you can reference see my previous videos. So the idea here, AE, so therefore we find first AC. If you know the AC answer, later we tell that AE is some lambda times of AC. Also you need this one. Later they ask find the B, find the C in order. So take the BD also. Something like a mu letter, use the previous 2 question we worked such essay types. So BE, mu times of BD like that. Therefore very first you will find the AC vector is what and BD vector is what. So in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what is AC? AC vector. What is AC? AB plus BC. AB plus BC, right? Therefore, AB is vector A, BC is vector B. So you know the AC. Stop. Now we come to the BD. Same method, find the BD. Here they ask the BE also, find the BD vector. So in triangle, which one? BCD. In triangle BCD, what is BD? BD vector is BD vector. BD vector is what? BC plus CD. BC plus CD. So that is what? What is BC? B. CD minus 2A. Okay, these are part of the, they'll give 5 marks for this, 5 marks. It's a marking scheme, right? So now the idea, now come to this triangle. We take AE is some lambda times of AC and BE is some mu times of BD, and we rearrange the equation in terms of lambda and mu for this triangle. So you know the lambda and mu equation becomes equal to something 0 like that or anything. We equate the coefficients to find those answers, lambda, mu answer. Therefore, next I said let AE equal lambda times AC. A equal lambda times AC. Also take this one. B equal mu times BD. Mu times BD. And now we come to this triangle. In triangle ABE, take the triangle. In triangle ABE, AB vector plus BE vector, AB plus B equal to AE, right? Equal to AE. Equal to AE. Now apply this. What is AB? A vector A plus. What is BE here? Mu times BD, right? So mu times, what is BD? B minus 2A. B minus 2A. B minus 2A vector equal AE vector, lambda times AC. So lambda, what is AC? AC, A plus B. Nice parts, right? Always we use in the any exam papers, we have this type of question. Okay, now what? As I mentioned in the previous videos, is we call vector equation. In a vector equation, see here A and B are not zero, that means not parallel. Vector A, vector B are non-parallel, non-zero vectors. But they are equal, both sides something equal. This cannot be equal to vectors if they are not parallel. When the vectors becomes equal, they are parallel, they are same direction, and the magnitude should be equal. Three things satisfies only any type of vectors become equal. If not so, the only possibility is they should be each and every side 0. This is 0, that side also 0. Therefore, here we have to equate this completely 0, is completely 0. That's we call coefficients are equal. So write this, where vector A and vector B, where vector A and vector B are two non-zero, non-parallel vectors. Vector A and vector B are two non-zero and non-parallel vectors. Therefore, equate the coefficients. Therefore, equate the coefficients. Take the both side vector A coefficient. What is vector A? Here 1. Minus 2 mu. Minus 2 mu. Here lambda. My first equation. Okay. Next take the vector B equated, coefficient of the vector B both sides equated. Here what? Mu B, therefore mu. Lambda, there's a lambda. This important results we got it. Lambda and B both the same, both equal. So find the numerical values. So connect the both, 1, 2. 1 minus 2 mu for lambda. Simplify lambda becomes 1/3. Lambda is 1/3 as well as mu also 1/3. Lambda is 1/3, mu is 1/3. So come to the first part answer. Therefore, AE vector equal lambda. Lambda is 1/3 AC. You know AC A plus B. The first part answer. Find the AE vector. AE vector. Also they ask for same fashion. Find the BE. I mentioned B is mu times BD. BE equal mu times B. Mu also 1/3. So 1/3. What is BD? Here B minus 2A, right? Vector B minus vector 2A. B also correct. Next, what is CE? CE, this one, CE. So I found AE is to AC ratio. AE, AC ratio. See, AE equal 1/3 AC. Okay, AE equal 1/3 AC. So this is 1, therefore this is 2. This is 2. Okay, completely 3 only, it's become 1, it becomes 2, right? There, what is CE vector? How the CE vector, this one 2. So 2/3, probably 3 shares, 2 shares. 2/3 of CA. CA, not EC, C therefore CA. So, what is that? 2/3. What is CA? We know the AC. You know the AC answer. CA means minus symbol. Therefore, becomes minus A minus B. So if I take the minus out, minus 2/3 A plus B, minus 2/3 A plus B, right? Nice question, right? Next, D. Find the vector D. This one, D. Here, you know the ratio BDB, 1/3. See that? B equal, mu also 1/3. 1/3 BD. B equal 1/3 BD. Therefore, yours is 1 here too. Is it? Here 1, 2, 3, totally 3 here 1. B equal 1. So what is that? Therefore, finally, vector D. What is vector D is 2/3. No? 2/3 of what? DB. 2/3 of DB. So the answer therefore 2/3. You heard the DB. BD is this. BD is this. Therefore DB. Check the DB. What is DB? 2A minus B. 2 vector A minus vector B. Okay, if it's clear, it's first part answer. It's very clear. Only can go to the other part. B equal. Okay, D vector. Find the first part, but find the B. Find the B is okay, B. And find the C. Find the D, right? Okay. Right, second part. Prove that vector AE dot vector B brackets into vector CE into D equal 4/81 modulus B square minus 2 mod of A square minus A dot B all things square. It's a nice question, super problem by using the first part. Simple question, but the ideas are good. Show this answer. Okay. So how to get simple method? You know all these vectors. You know A, you know B, you know C, you know D. So product it. Just use AE into B. AE into B. So if these answer, if you derive this answer, then these parts are correct. If you can't derive this answer, this is wrong. So what is AE? 1/3 A plus B into BE 1/3 B minus 2A. Okay. Now product multiple. 1 over 9. 339. Product it. A dot B minus 2 A dot A. Can I write A dot A? This B dot B minus again A dot B, but minus 2 times. So answer 1 over 9 A dot B, yeah, minus 2 A dot B, that is minus 1 A dot B minus, what is this? A dot A mod A square minus 2 mod A square plus B dot B mod B square. Okay, the answer is given. We already have this A dot B and everything available. Yes. Okay. Okay. Right. So I say this is A. Or it says 1 A. Now find the other product. Find the other two. CE dot D. Find the CE dot D. So we have already first part completely successfully covered, therefore can be evaluated or can be shown this answer, can be verified this answer. So CE dot D equal, what is CE? Minus 2/3 vector A plus B dot DE is 2/3 2A vector minus B. So multiple minus 4 over 9 A dot now we can minimize the step, right? You know A dot A is mod A square. Yeah, what is that? 2 mod A square. Here minus A dot B plus 2 times A dot B plus 1 times A dot B. Finally minus B dot B mod B square, right? I say B. Oh wait. Now check these answers. Yeah. Now put the minus inside. 4 over 9. That is CE dot DE. Put the minus inside, become mod B square positive minus A dot B minus 2 mod A square. I say B. Oh, the both the same there, minus A dot B. Yeah, see, both same. Therefore, now multiple the both. Now multiple the A and B and C. Multiple the A and B. Is it this the answer? Multiple the A and B and check. A into B, C into D. Here 4 over 9, 1 over 9, multiple, 4 times 1, 4, 9, 9, 81. This is a big bracket, large bracket, both are same. Both same, therefore complete square. It's a complete square. Nice question. Well explained here. You can get full opportunity of this kind of question to implement the future knowledge. Future exam papers, you can answer simply. So practice this, keep in touch always. This vector is important question, the structure paper 1 problem, essay part of a problem with the coplanar forces. So my idea to show nearly 20 or 30 questions in full this type of revision. So if you keep in touch with subscribe my video, you'll receive a lot of good quality type problems in vectors, same as the chapters.